It's the one resource we can never get back. In our fast-moving world where every day feels busier than the last, saving even an hour is a gift. And today, thanks to artificial intelligence, we don't just save minutes. We can reclaim entire chunks of our week. In this video, we'll explore AI tools that can save you more than 10 hours every week. From writing to organization, from creativity to communication, these tools are reshaping how we work and how much time we have left for the things that matter most. One of the biggest time drains is writing. Emails, reports, summaries, proposals. AI tools can cut this time dramatically. AI writing assistants. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai generate drafts, rephrase sentences, and summarize documents in seconds. What might take an hour can be reduced to minutes. Email helpers. Platforms like Superhuman or Gmail's Smart Reply use AI to suggest responses, highlight urgent messages, and clear inbox clutter. Translation and grammar. Grammarly or DeepL save time polishing language, catching errors instantly, and ensuring clarity without endless rereads. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you start with a strong draft, and suddenly, writing becomes editing. That alone can reclaim several hours every week. How much time do we lose just scheduling meetings, setting reminders, or finding the right time to connect? AI steps in here too. Smart scheduling assistants. Tools like Motion or Reclaim.ai analyze your calendar and automatically find the best times for deep work, meetings, and breaks. AI note takers. Otter.ai or Fireflies transcribe meetings in real time, capturing every word so you don't have to. Reviewing a 1-hour meeting in 5 minutes is a massive time saver. Task management. AI-powered apps can prioritize your to-do list based on deadlines and habits, helping you focus on what really matters instead of juggling dozens of reminders. With AI handling logistics, you reclaim hours lost to back-and-forth emails and messy calendars. Whether you're making videos, presentations, or designs, creativity takes time. But AI tools can help accelerate the process without replacing your ideas. Image and video tools like Canva, Pictory, or Runway generate graphics, edit video clips, and suggest layouts instantly. Music and voice. Tools like AIVA or Murph.ai create background music or lifelike narrations. No need to hire voice actors for every draft. Presentation builders. Beautiful.ai or Tome use AI to build slide decks from simple prompts, turning hours of formatting into minutes. These tools don't replace creativity. They remove the grunt work so you can spend time on the big ideas instead of polishing the margins. We spend countless hours searching, skimming, and piecing together information. AI accelerates this process. AI research assistants. Tools like Perplexity AI or Elicit summarize scientific papers, pull out key insights, and generate citations. Summarizes. Tools that digest long articles, PDFs, or reports into a few bullet points save enormous time. Learning helpers. Duolingo uses AI to personalize lessons, while Conmigo helps students understand math and science concepts at their own pace. What once took hours of reading can now take minutes, and you still get the knowledge you need. AI for everyday life. Finally, AI saves time not just at work, but at home. Shopping and recommendations. AI curates suggestions so you find what you need faster. Voice assistants. Alexa and Siri set reminders, timers, and handle routine tasks instantly. Smart devices. AI thermostats like Google Nest learn your schedule and adjust automatically. No wasted time fiddling with settings. Together, these little conveniences add up. AI doesn't just save hours at work. It gives you more time for your personal life too. So, whether you're an individual using AI at home or a business owner seeking efficiency, remember this. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to enhance you. The companies that leaped into this technology soon learned that these tools don't replace people. They empower them. They take care of the predictable so you can focus on the meaningful, creativity, relationships, and growth. Today, businesses of every size can access AI-powered tools that once belonged only to global corporations. The beauty of this new world is that you don't need to build complex systems or hire an army of programmers to benefit from artificial intelligence. Many small and medium-sized companies are now discovering that the smartest move isn't to buy, but to access, to rent intelligence, just like the big players do. Platforms such as Business Booster 360, for example, bring together AI-driven solutions designed to help businesses automate repetitive work, optimize their time, and boost productivity without the complexity or heavy investment. It's not about replacing people, it's about helping them work smarter. Because when we use AI wisely, it doesn't take over. It hands us back our most precious resource: time. The bigger picture. Add it all together. Writing, scheduling, creativity, research, daily routines, and AI tools can easily save 10 or more hours each week. That's an extra workday reclaimed. But the true value isn't just the hours saved, it's what you do with them. AI gives you time to think more deeply, create more freely, rest more fully. For centuries, technology saved us physical labor. Machines lifted, carried, and built. AI saves us mental labor. It clears away the repetitive, the tedious, the time-consuming, leaving us with the space to focus on what only humans can do: imagine, connect, and innovate. Artificial intelligence isn't just about the future. It's about today, and it's already making your life easier, one task at a time. By embracing AI tools for writing, scheduling, creativity, research, and daily routines, you can reclaim 10 hours or more every single week. That's 10 hours to invest in what truly matters: your work, your passions, your health, your family. Because in the end, AI is not here to take time from us. It's here to give time back. The choice is ours. How will we use it? In this video, we've brought together some of the most useful AI tools available today. You saw their names appear on screen as you went along. If you found one that sparks your interest, re-watch and pause to jot it down. Explore, experiment, and see what works best for you. If you need more information, send me a line on www.ainu.ai. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, hit subscribe and join us at AINU. Together, we'll explore how AI is already shaping our lives, where it's headed, and what lies beyond as we move toward AGI. The future isn't far off. Let's explore it one video at a time.